Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can set the default search tabs in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the Settings button, and then click on the Diary Settings button, and here just look for the Default Search Tabs button and click on that. And as you can see, these are the options that you can choose from, so just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.